Well, we shan't be cursed by a spirit we let lie, I suppose.
What's a curse?
I have heard that some even pray to those cursed gods. How terribly dreadful.
False. Memory. False. False. Memory. False. 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 Remember. Memory. Kill the enemy. Kill your loved one. The woman tells her husband she will soon lose herself. She remembers a process the commander installed in her the first time she died. A setting that deletes even her false self, making her a mindless weapon of carnage.
Confirmed. Cause, marital bonds. Data saved as reference for future clone development. Test concluded.
From love for her partner, there is a very fine line between joy and misery. In any case, it is now the moment you have been waiting for. Dream time!
I wish we could have adventured more together.
We shall meet again once night falls. Come now.